This is the story of Jim and how a mustard seed led him into becoming the king of natural DIY. Meet Jim, a Packers fan who only cares about 3 things: brats, the big game, and his sacred, overworn Packers shirt. But one day, Jim was eating a Johnsonville brat and spilled the fattest gloop of mustard on his favorite shirt. He tried everything to get it off, but nothing was working. So he went running to his wife, knowing she'll have an answer, because women always have an answer. And he was right, and with a smirk on her face, she pulled out the Simply Earth monthly recipe box. He said to her,
how's that gonna help?
So you know how I've been trying to make my own natural products? I stumbled across this DIY monthly recipe box from Simply Earth. And luckily, this month is cleaning.
So what you're saying is we have to make our own stain remover?
Yeah, and so many other natural products.
And won't they take a while to make?
No, honey, it's just 2 easy steps.
Once Sue had whipped up the DIY stain remover, she applied it to Jim's stain, and within minutes, it had disappeared.
Holy cow, it's gone!
Jim was baffled that this natural DIY stuff they made themselves could actually get rid of his stain. This box was everything he could ask for. Everything he needs gets delivered to his door. Jim and Sue followed step-by-step tutorials to make the stain remover and so many other products. It was life-changing. Jim no longer had to eat brats carefully. He could go full Packer fan on that thing. They got to join a Facebook group of over 10,000 recipe box users. Jim and Sue were no longer alone in their non-toxic journey. If you want to be like Jim, the cleanest natural Packer fan out there, click below to join the box that has over 6,000 5-star reviews to make your own DIY recipes in 10 minutes or less. They also save big by buying directly instead of through a bunch of middlemen. They also get free shipping, a free big bonus box, a hero course, exclusive discounts, recipe box rewards, a like-minded community, and VIP access to new products. And Sue could finally sleep at night knowing the essential oils are 100% certified pure, third-party tested, and sourced from sustainable farms. The best thing is, Jim was so happy with the stain remover, he started making other items from the next couple months' recipe boxes too. So they didn't stop with the stain remover. The next month, she made Jim a hair care product, and Sue was so relieved to find that she had 60 days to decide for herself whether she wanted to keep the recipe box with their money-back guarantee. With this month's DIY laundry, you get dishwasher sheets, laundry detergent sheets, and Castile soap. You'll learn how to use this tea tree, clean and fresh, tangerine, and lemon eucalyptus essential oil blends.
Wow, you get all that? That's better than brats.
Want to achieve your DIY goals just like click the link below and get your box